In today's video, I am going to show you how to perform battle rope exercise at home without a battle rope. I'm going to show you 3 common household items that you can substitute the battle rope with, and you can still get the benefit of the battle rope workout. Coming up. Hey, welcome back to Find Your Max channel. My name is Max. In this channel, we're here to help you to get started from 0 to 1 in physique transformation for daily average working people. Today's video is going to be fairly short. I want to just quickly talk about how to perform battle rope exercise at home without a battle rope. This is a topic that I see a lot of comments people made on my videos, or they ask me offline, which is like, I really want to do the battle rope workouts. You know, it seems like with all that great benefits, I really want to start on it, but I don't have a battle rope and the gym is closed, or I don't feel comfortable going to the gym at the moment, even if the gym are open. And so today's video is dedicated to that. I think there are definitely substitutes that we can use to mimic the battle rope workout. And I'm not saying that, okay, you can completely just ditch battle rope. No, I think battle ropes still have their benefits, and you know, there are things that you can't really mimic. In the meantime, before you can get your hands on a battle rope, I'm going to show you 3 common household items that you can easily use to mimic the exercise and still reap the benefits. Okay, the first thing that you can use lying around to mimic the battle rope are towels. You have seen me using this towel. This towel is the one I used in my previous videos. They're just like a longer beach towel. Another way that you can use is getting those you can have 2 towels, okay? The one thing you gotta keep in mind is if you're getting 2 towels, make sure they are the same towel. They have the same weight, same size. So this way you have more balance when you're performing the workouts. The second common household item that you can use to substitute battle rope are old clothes. Over here I got 2 old jeans, and over here I got 2 old t-shirts. They're garbage anyway. I'm sure that you have multiple of old t-shirts lying around, and you can easily just use them as a battle rope to mimic the battle rope motion. When I was making these videos, I was testing out all of them, and especially for jeans, I think jeans are very good substitute because they are much heavier than a t-shirt and they're longer, so you can kind of mimic the waist. But one thing I do gotta say is, if you're using old pants, make sure you grab it by the waist size. Okay, so you can grab it like this on the waist size. So when you're performing the waves or the side laterals, the side raise, actually it performs a lot better if you grab it by the waist size. Lastly, the third common household item that you can use, 500 milliliter water bottle that you can get from any supermarket. I think the 500 milliliter, and this is from the Nestle, they're perfect because 500 milliliter is roughly about a pound. They fit perfectly in our palm. So this is the perfect, I think, in my mind, one of the perfect ways that you can substitute battle rope with. You're gonna get a great arm workout in and get a great cardio in by using these water bottle. All right, so with the 3 recommendations I just show you, with the water bottle, the towel, the old clothes, I honestly think there are no excuse to not to start a battle rope workout, to start burning those stubborn fats. So now you can definitely follow along with one of my previous battle rope workout. Grab yourself one of the water bottles, old jeans, old towels. Let's get sweating. Peace.